Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany and M2B from Tubi Toys. Can you say hello, M2B?
Hello, M2B.
Hey guys, today we are playing with the new Play-Doh Incredibles 2 Play-Doh set.
And guys, look what's behind us. Incredibles 1 action figures and Incredibles 2.
He means Incredibles 2 Wave 1 and Wave 2 action figures. That's right. Good job, Marcello. National Play-Doh Day, where everybody can use this amazing clay to create and have fun. So I thought it'd be fun to whip out the Incredibles 2 set. You can find this at Target, Walmart, Amazon, and it looks like a really cool set. So let's get started and let's make some Play-Doh figures of our favorite movie, Incredibles 2.
And just lots of glue. And they're trying it out.
Oh, it comes with Violet as a force field, but it's like a little cutter. Here's baby Jack mold. Oh, a Mr. Incredible figure that we're going to include with our Play-Doh creation. It looks like we're making like a rock or something with it.
Yeah.
Look, we even have Elastigirl, and it's like a wheel cutter, like a pizza cutter.
Oh.
But she's actually on her Elasticycle. And there's a Dash cookie cutter mold with his face in it. That's cool. Red, blue, white, and black. Let's make baby Jack first.
Oh, okay.
So let's make him red with black mask using black Play-Doh and the red Play-Doh. Whoa, it looks like he's mad. Let's do that again. Whoa, there's baby Jack. Now we have baby Jack's mask coming. Kind of looks like him. Let's use some orange and yellow Play-Doh. Here we go. Just give him a squish. Squish, squish. Look how cool that looks. Oh, I hope it looks just as cool. I need to take him apart. The big reveal. Will he look like this Fire Jack? Let's see. Ah! A little bit. Oh, there we go. We got some flames in there. Here we have Fire Jack and Play-Doh Fire Jack. Let's make Violet with her force field, but they use blue and white. I'm going to use purple and white. I think this is nice color, Violet. Or Violet. No?
Violet and Violet.
Get your rollers out. The white. Okay, let's add some of this white because she needs a stand. I think this set didn't come with enough. I hope they come out with another set.
Yeah, with villains.
Oh, with villains too, but yeah, like that'd be cool.
And all the villains, but they could put voidings.
The beauty of Play-Doh is you don't always have to do what the box says. You do whatever you want. Unfortunately, this is not coming out like how
The box.
Yeah, because we're not like artists.
Well, I am an artist, so I can do this.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, I know a little bit falling.
It's a motion piece. That's why.
A motion piece.
Oh. Here's Violet and her force field. Do next. You want to do Dash? I think we should do Dash. Dash is easy because we can either make the mold of him or not. But let's see what we can do. Dash, and he's a cookie cutter. Oh, Violet fell. But my other Violet's still standing. There you go. Here's Dash and... Hey guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. But if you don't subscribe or give a thumbs up, I know why. But it's okay. We're having fun. And that's the whole point of Play-Doh. It's to have fun. Let's do Mr. Incredible. Ready? Oh, it's perfect. Oh, look at that. Makes a nice imprint of his fist. Look at that.
Hey, I'm Mr. Incredible. I'm Mr. Incredible. McDonald's. Mr. Incredible. It's a really cool toy. If you got this toy, you know on the back he can push rocks, but like push stuff.
Whoa! Look at this. He stands up perfectly.
Oh my God! He's like a statue.
And here we have the other figure of Mr. Incredible. Now, last but not least, we gotta do an Elastigirl one.
Nice.
We gotta make it more texture of feel, according to Marcello. Let's make it more texture of feel. Oh, we could also do like a road.
A road.
They do it so nice.
Yeah, they do some nice Play-Doh.
I wish I was a Play-Doh maker.
Well, I am.
Oh, you are?
And I'm a drawing artist.
Oh. Let's see. Here we go. Perfect.
And I should pay bills, and I should be the president.
Okay. Wait, watch this. Ready? Go. Oh.
And you guys
Or she can go like this.
And if I was president, you guys should vote for me.
I'll vote for you.
Yay. You would?
Yeah. I know you do a good job. Free toys for everybody.
Yeah.
Free toys and... Perfect. Look at that. Look, she's just standing. Where's Elastigirl?
Here's Elastigirl.
Here we go. Here are all my creations. Now, Marcello, Mr. M2B is gonna take over.
Yeah, but I just want to show you some. Okay, guys. So now I need the roller, the white Play-Doh, some purple Play-Doh to make Violet's force field. That looks like a bad force field. I'm gonna go get something to pick this up. Wait, I need to go tell my mom something. Be back in a minute, guys. I am back. I was just asking my mom if I could do whatever I want, and she said yes. So I'm gonna make a smiley face with Violet's force field. Okay, guys, the big reveal. See, do you like it? It's a baby. Do you like that? Let us know in the comments below. The Underminer. Horse poetry. Who's there? I know it doesn't look like much, but hey, that could be like a bow tie or something. That could be a clothes for Jack. Another look.
Well, happy Play-Doh Day. With Play-Doh, you can make anything. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.